So hey guys, I'm quite excited. I'm not really excited. So over the past couple of months, or for some time now, my old mixer has been bad. Like my old main mixer has been bad. So I've not been able to do some couple of things in this channel. Like making of bread, making of some sensitive things. So right, so I don't know what happened yesterday or some days back. I just went to visit a friend that was living in this country and an Udbika. So she told me she is selling off her things, and I saw this mixer. It was such a good deal. I had to just get it, man. I had to just get it. I'm sorry. So this is me emptying my account for a new mixer. So yeah. So visiting this friend, she has a couple of things to sell. So and I saw this mixer. I have to buy this mixer for two purposes. One, for you my viewers that has brought me to 1,000 subscribers. So that way, if you're watching this video and I'm not yet a subscriber, please do it to subscribe. And two, I can actually resell this for the same price or a higher value, because this mixer is still so neat. So I'm going to be showing you guys the mixer right now. Wow, this is it. So I got it for about 140,000. That's about $200, and it has everything. It's still so clean, as you can see. It has the hoodie. You can see the hoodie is still so clean, it has this whisk. This is basically what you used to do with whipped cream, but in my old mixer, by the way, this got bad. It has the paddle. They call it paddle, I guess. It has the paddle, and it has the dough mixer. Basically, I think that's it. So yeah, I said it was in a very, very good shape, and I could not just afford to miss this deal. So I grabbed it. So yeah, this is me having a new mixer for the channel. So yeah, so you guys should be expecting more juicy content, more flawless content, man. I'm so glad I got this mixer. I can actually resell it anytime I want. And yeah, that's it. So please, so if you're not subscribed, if you're not yet subscribed, please do it to subscribe. Don't forget to like. iPhone has just been released. I cannot afford it, so I'm sorry. I'm not ashamed to say that I cannot afford it right now, but I know in the future I won't probably get an iPhone though. I'll probably give the money away to charity or use and do or bless my subscribers, because I'm all about blessing people. I'm not that kind of wasteful human being. So yeah, so that's it, and I'm gonna catch you next time. Peace.